Okay, so I'll just make the video again. Got all the roots out. There's the city. Once this starts to make the turn, you'll be able to see it better. So you can start to see some of the cracking starting down there.
Okay.
And then that's some exposed ground where the pipe is gone out. I think.
Is that still where it's vertical?
Yep. And so that's in the chimney. There could be pipe behind it, and that could just be a root mass that just has been neglected.
Okay.
And then that would be like just a bad joint.
Okay.
Or it could be pipe missing. Either way, it's not good because
that spot below there, right there,
mm-hmm.
is that something where you don't want to chain that out anymore because it could, if there's not pipe or something.
Just because of this lip here.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad, and so I don't want to risk pulling anything else out.
Okay.
And we call it liner ready, so if we were to go ahead and do a liner today, it'd be ready to go. We would line right over all that stuff.
Okay.
So there's that, and then this is another area of concern. You can see the top of the pipe is missing a chunk.
Is that still the chimney, or is that at the elbow?
Nope, this is right before the elbow. So you can see up there, right before that joint, there's a piece of pipe missing.
Okay.
And so this is...
So that's the offset right there, isn't it?
Yep, and it's not terrible. I've seen a lot worse, and we've lined through worse.
Okay.
As far as offsets go, it's not bad.
Okay.
It's really not bad.
Okay.
So basically a liner would solve all the problems in this juncture.
Okay. This spot right here, until I can afford and work out how I'm going to do a liner, is that a concern as far as how much water's not going down the main? Okay, that's good.
No, it's still flowing. Some of it might be seeping through the joints of the pipe, but then again, water might be seeping through any of the joints in the pipe.
Okay.
So it's not really any more concerning than any other part of it. More concerning to me is the top of the pipe. The offset to me isn't really that concerning.
Okay.
So we'll go through the rest of the pipe and look for more damage just so that we have it on record now that the pipe is clean. Those roots will push down eventually. They're cut out from the pipe. So they'll probably even be out by the end of the day.
Do I have to worry about all those bunched together that they'd not go down?
No.
Okay.
No, you got plenty of fall. So this is the other spot that was previously thought to be an offset. It's actually just a well-established root ball. And then you can see a little bit of cracking overhead on the top. So it had just been growing in forever. Never got properly cleaned. And so now it's intruding into the pipe. And there might be some cracking on the bottom too. For the liner, we'd probably come in and try to grind that out a little bit more. If we were going to go ahead and do it, we'd be a little bit more aggressive because we'd know that we were going to be there to line it right away.
Yeah.
But until then, we don't really want to be all that aggressive to it because we don't want to risk pulling down any chunks of the pipe and then not lining it. So, I mean, that is just all roots through there. Yeah, and so it's good for now.
Okay.
It's not an offset.
As far as the cleaning goes, and leaving that, I understand that you want to leave it so you don't risk damaging the pipe there.
Yeah.
How much would it need to grow where I'm going to have sewer backup? Like, does it need to cover the whole
Yeah.
pipe?
Yep.
Okay. The whole
It needs to
opening,
cover
so
the.
if it covers half the bottom, it's not going to back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Generally, it needs to cover the whole pipe, and it needs to be pretty bushy.
Okay.
Like, it needs to be a good 4 or 5 inches for it to completely stop your sewer from working.
Okay.
So this is perfectly acceptable.
Okay.
You won't have to worry about it backing up from this spot for a while.
Okay.
You do want to have it addressed. You don't want to let it grow,
Right.
but, it's not going to back up tomorrow or anything. Missed a spot. I'll go back in and get that. So there's a bit more cracking. See that?
Yeah.
I don't think I saw any more damage.